A most extraordinary case has come to light using AI in a judicial decision, and that decision goes very, very wrong. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Buckeye Trust case, where an order was passed by the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal in Bangalore, relying on 3 precedents which do not exist. And it is possible that those precedents were a result of AI hallucination. Maybe AI got used somewhere in the research of the judges or the lawyers, we don't know. And a 4th case that the tribunal relied upon, that case does exist, but it talks about something completely different from the point that the ITAT was relying upon. So what was this case? This case was essentially a person who had settled 669 crores onto a trust, whether this transaction of settling this amount was taxable or not. Normally, gifts are only tax exempt if you give them to family members who are defined under the Income Tax Act. The question is that this amount which was transferred to the trust as a share in partnership, whether share in partnership is indeed property within the meaning of the relevant income tax section, and the court relied on these so-called cases, non-existent cases, to decide that yes, this was property, taxable property, and decided in favor of the revenue and against this individual. Of course, this order was passed on 30 December, and by 7th of Jan, the tribunal, the ITAT, had recalled the order, which itself is unprecedented. And in all likelihood, this mistake will have been corrected. But what is troubling is that this was still a tax case. If courts start relying on AI, even inadvertently, in criminal cases where life and liberty is at stake, then the system will be much more damaged. It is something that we should all be aware of as AI plays a larger and larger role in our life.